Okay, so we'll continue. This is the third video. So I've downloaded swimming pool. So how many pictures do I have? I have 1, 2, 3. Let me refresh. Okay, so I have four actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, you'll get to see why I downloaded these images. So I'm back to your software. So hotel name, I'll say 4 Point Hotel. 4 Point Hotel. So address, you can give it any address of your choice. Victoria Island, Lagos. You can search. So if you select Nigeria, all the states under Nigeria will be listed. If you select any other country, the states under those countries will be listed. So Nigeria. I'll select Lagos. So this field you see here, these are the states. This field here, you see this thing blinking, is a search field. So you can search for anything there. So I'll search for Lagos. I'll select Lagos. Enter the city where it's located. I will say Victoria Island. Okay, hotel description. Any sweet comment that comes to your mind, because remember, it's expecting you that you are creating a hotel profile. So it's expecting to paint your hotel in a very nice way. So I will say the best hotel in Nigeria. Then to ask me for the website URL. If the website has a URL, you put it. It doesn't have, you leave it. You understand? But you can just put anything. It doesn't matter. So I'll just say 4 Points Hotel. Hotel.com.ng. Okay, that's www.com.ng. Contact email, you can just put any random email. So I'll just say maybe contact at 4pointhotel.com.ng. Contact number is phone number, so I can just randomly put the phone number and I'll submit. So as soon as I submit, I've created a hotel profile. The next thing to ask me, what are the features of your hotel? You understand? Good. So I will send you this feature. These are default feature I created. I will forward it to you to your WhatsApp after this video. So the first one, I'll just say clean hotel, clean swimming pool for relaxation. Submit. So you're submitting, the features, hotel feature added successfully. Good. As you're submitting, the features will be listed here. You can edit. Let's say you made a mistake in the spelling or something, you can edit, make your change. If I want to add blah blah blah, I save changes. You see the blah 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 is added. If I don't want the feature at all, I can delete it and the feature goes away. You understand? Good. So like I said, I'll be sending this to you. When you want to do your presentation, you can write it somewhere in your notepad or anywhere, or cram it, or write it to your book and all that. So any nice thing that comes to your head, it's nothing big anyway, any nice thing that comes to your head. So swimming pool for your relaxation, exquisite gym hall for your workouts and bodybuilding routine. We'll have an intercontinental cuisine. We'll have a gentleman bar filled with rich collections of wine and drinks, favorite brands. So at least 5 features is okay. If you want to add up to 10 or 15, no problem. 5 features are okay. You understand? So when you are done adding as much features as you want, there is a button here that says proceed to uploading hotel images. So when you click to ask you, are you done uploading hotel features? Click OK to proceed to uploading hotel images. So you click OK. To now take you to where to upload the hotel images. At first, it's going to be blank. So as you start adding images, it goes. So I will now say add hotel image. To ask me what kind of hotel do I want to add. So usually I like adding cover photo first. So you see cover photo, I select cover photo, then I click browse. This is where I now use those images I downloaded. So since I downloaded them to the desktop, I'll go to desktop and I'll go and look for the one that says 4 Point Hotel only. Now you see 4 Point Hotel, nothing again is added. 4 Point Hotel. So that's the cover image because it's the one that shows the front view of the hotel. So I'll open it and upload. So can you see hotel image uploaded successfully? Can you see it is the cover photo, is the front view. I can change the photo. If I click change photo, it will ask me to change. I can select another photo and upload. If I say I should delete it, if I delete the photo disappears. So I can add another hotel, the room view. So now I'll go and look for the one that has the name of the hotel and has room view attached to it. So can you see 4-point hotel room? So I will select it and upload. So this is the room view. So you can see essentially the room view. This one is the cover photo. This is the room view. Then the next one is bathroom. I'll go and look for the one that has bathroom attached to it. 4-point hotel bathroom. You can actually search. So if I start typing 4 here, it will bring everything in 4 points. So I'll select the bathroom and I'll upload. Okay, let me upload the swimming pool. So pool area. So I'll just type 4 points. Swimming pool. I'll upload. If I want, I can even go to gym. So I can see hotel gym images. I can download gym, hotel gym images. It will show me a gym. So let's say I want to use this one. I'll click on it. When they finish loading, wait for it to finish loading. This sign, this thing moving here, shows that it's still loading. If it stops loading, it will disappear. So I wait for it to load. The network is fast, it loads faster, it's slow, it's quite some time. Alright, so you see that thing has disappeared, so it has finished loading. So I'll right click and say save image as. Then I'll say 4-point hotel gym. Then I'll save. So you have to make sure you are saving to your desktop. Any place you are saving to, you have to make sure you know where you are saving to, because that's where you have to navigate to select the image. So here now I'll say add hotel, gym hall, then I'll browse, search for it. I'll see 4-point hotel gym. I will select it and I'll click upload photo. Alright, so can you see I've uploaded the photo? You understand? So I can upload. There are so many other things there one can upload. You can upload the QC, you can upload the hall, event hall. That is the hall they do event. You can upload hotel environment, as many as you want to upload. You understand? Fine. So now we are done uploading hotels. So you can see, go to manage hotel. So manage hotel will give you information about the hotel, and then allows you to make changes or corrections. So I can see the cover photo. Nobody has rated this. That's why it's like this. I can see the hotel features are added. I can see the hotel images are added. So let's say I made a mistake. Let's say I made a mistake now in this hotel. I can click edit in filling this information. I can click edit hotel. When I click edit hotel, it brings the form and I can make any correction I want to make and save changes. Here too, let's say I want to add new feature. I can click the add new feature. Let me see blah 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 is the new feature I want to add and submit. You see that blah 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 has been added. So you can also edit the ones that have been added before, or even this new one you added. So let's say I want to change this blah 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 to hooray. I can change and click save changes. I see blah 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 has been changed to hooray. Let me say, okay, there is a feature here I'm no longer providing, or there is whatever I want to delete it. I'll click on it. So after am I sure? If I say yes, it deletes it, and then it goes away. Alright, so now we have hotel images here. I can edit. If I click edit, it asks me to choose. So let's say I want to change this image to something else now. Let me just go and change it to something else. Let me just change it to this. Let me change it to this. If I click upload photo, can you see? It has changed. You understand? Let me change it back to what it was before. Alright, so it has changed. Let's say I want to even delete the image. I can delete. I want to delete this gym image. I'll click on this trash icon and say delete. It goes away. You can see the gym has disappeared. Let's say I want to add a new photo. Let me add the gym back. I'll add new photo. I will select kind of photo I want to add. Then I will go and look for the photo and I will add it. So can you see? I have added this photo. This I've added it. So that's how to manage hotel. Now the next is hotel reviews. But I have to log out and log in. The reason is, if you come to hotel reviews, it is blank. Because nobody has written any review. No customer has written any review. So here now we will pause. We will pause on the hotelier side. Then we will go and do customer side. When we do customer side, then we will come back to hotelier and finish up. Because now there are no reviews. Even if you go to flag reviews, there are no flag review because no customer has made any review. So I'm going to log out now. Good. So I've logged out. So we can see that hotel we added now, 4 Point Hotel, will now display. But like I said, only the first 8 hotel. Okay, we'll have it displayed here. Can you see it? 4 Point Hotel. Fine. That means okay, I see maybe the first 12. So only the first 12 hotels will display. Then when you load more, it goes. Or let me make it to the first 8. Just hold on. You still get to follow me. Alright, let's continue. So I've made it such that it only display the first 8. I just corrected the code now. It only display the first 8. Don't worry, after all these videos, I will upload whatever the small corrections I've done and you also download it. That is not a problem. I will guide you on how to do it. So you can see, so that hotel you added is no longer here, not displayed. When I click on load more hotels, you'll see it displayed. Can you see it? 4 Point Hotel. Can you see the rating is blank? Nobody has rated it. Good. So now you also notice that when I click here, when I click on the hotel, it takes me to a page. I can see that this cover photo is what is the, okay, good, let me come back here. So that cover photo you uploaded, can you see, is the display photo, what will show. So when people click, when customers click that are brought here, they can see the cover photo, they can see the name of the hotel, see the rating, see the address, see those pictures you uploaded. You understand? They can now see those hotel photos you uploaded too. They can see it. Now they can see hotel reviews using this view hotel reviews, but you can see no review has been written. In the next video, the 4th video I'll be sending to you, we'll go through all that. But before I end this video, since I still have small time, there's a search. So whether on the home page, on the hotels page, there is a search. So you can search for hotels. So if you search for a hotel that does not exist, Jaburata Hotel, and you search, you see, there will be nothing. Okay, I'll add a comment. Let me add something here that will say hotel not found. Okay, so I've added this so that when you search for something, it tells you it gives you, instead of showing you blank, it tells you no result found for keyword. You understand? Alright, so if you search for something that exists, okay, let me search for 4 points. So you can see it brought a result because there's a hotel, 4 Point Hotel that exists. If I search for Great Minds, because we have a hotel, Great Minds, that exists, you see it will bring the results for Great Minds. So this is where I will end this video. So I will send the final video. The final video is the 4th video. It will show us how to use the customer, how the customer actor uses the software, and also show us the rest part, as the complete part, the completion part of the hotelier. You get. So thank you for following this video so far. I love you. Alright, so stay tuned for the next video.